Alright folks, car number 2 for this evening is gonna be a 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 49,000 miles and only 478 idle hours. Original Arizona Beige from factory. The paint looks super sharp, very nice. It does have some scratches, but no door dings. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape to go anywhere across the states or across the country. Once again, this is going to be a 2007 with 49,000 miles, 478 idle hours, detective, street appearance, package, police interceptor. Once again, this is going to be the SAP street appearance package, police interceptor. This is not your regular P73 or P74. This is a P71. Let me stop right here, folks. Let me tell you, I just had to clarify that to make sure you guys out there do not get confused. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint, medium all around, not too dark, not too light, and this is the perfect color combination for this beautiful, gorgeous unit right here presented in front of you. Vehicle doesn't have any holes whatsoever on the body, no holes on the body whatsoever. Folks, I got to tell you before I forget, I did have the rear bumper cover repainted due to clear coat damage. Once again, the rear bumper cover was repainted due to clear coat damage. The paint does match. Please do not worry, the paint does match. Alright folks, let me continue. I just had to show you that. Folks, I gotta, before I forget, I gotta tell you that the vehicle does have a brand new set of Goodyear RSA Eagles. The tires that came with the vehicle when I got it out of the auction, they didn't look good. They were dry rot. Once again, I contacted my tire guy and he does have them for sale, but they're not cheap or affordable like they used to be. So here you go folks, $1,000 just on tires alone. So yes, you got a fresh new set of tires all around. Along with that, folks, I did have all 4 steel wheels reconditioned, so they do look nice and black all over again, and they do look new. All right, let me show you that right here. All 4 steel wheels were reconditioned. That is correct, so they do look new all over again. They were sanded down and repainted for best and better results. I do have a brand new set of OEM original headlights on this vehicle along with new bulbs. And once again, on this particular unit, I did give you the Savannah Silver Star light bulbs. So they are brighter and you can see a little bit better at night. Folks, as you guys can see, the front license plate bracket is missing. I do have it in the trunk. I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed on the vehicle before she departs to her new home. Don't worry, I will take care of you. On the also I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself here. The front header panel was also repainted due to sun damage. All right, the front header panel was also repainted due to sun damage. On the hood, folks, on the hood, I gotta tell you, I do have some stains. These are gonna be bird drops right here. If you leave bird drops on the paint for too long, this is what's gonna happen. It actually gets under the paint and they won't go nowhere. So there you go, folks. Some bird drops on the hood. I went ahead and left that alone. No holes on the body. Before I forget, folks, I do have one tiny little scratch here. All right, and if we go to the rear driver's side door, I do have some scratches right here. They are hardly noticeable. You guys can see them right there. See where my fingers are? That's where they're at. Right there. Alright? And another one right there. I couldn't see any door dings. Folks, I gotta tell you what I gotta do. I'm doing a great job here at showing you, pointing out what I see behind the lens. Some of you guys may not see it if I'm not pointing it out to you. So my job is to let you know that there is something there. Going inside of the vehicle, folks, the inside of the vehicle is a near mint condition. It is complete. It is matching. It does have carpet floors with nice OEM floor mats that came with the vehicle when I took her out of the auction. Surprisingly, everything was there. Super nice and clean. Rear door locks do work inside and out of the vehicle. This is gonna be a Zebra 5 rear axle. Zebra 5 rear axle, electric seat. Driver's side seat is in very comfortable shape. So is the passenger side seat. The carpet, folks, the carpet doesn't have any tears. Alright. Carpet doesn't have any tears. This was a detective unit. It with 49,000 miles, folks. I mean, what can I say? The vehicle is still solid, and she's good to go. Working cruise control, working horn, honk. I do have 5 keys with this unit, and a smiley face. 5 keys with this unit, folks. I'm not used to getting that many. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Alright, here we go. Pressure lights are up. 49,000 miles. So far, I resetted the clock. Clock shows that I've driven it for 5 miles, which is not true. I've driven it more than that. 478 idle hours, folks. Stereo does work, folks. Stereo does work. All 4 speakers do work. Ticket light does work. Map lights do work. The blackout option is enabled on this unit, so when you open the doors, the light will come on. All right. Air conditioner is nice and cold, folks. What's with all these mosquitoes all over the place? Super nice dash. Super nice dash on this one, folks. But oh, let me clean this up here for you guys. Super nice dash. But I do have 2 little holes here. That was possibly from microphone hanger. I'm sorry, I do not have a replacement trim. What you see is what you're gonna get. This is a very hard color to get, so if you can see past these little 2 holes, folks, and the little scratches, you got yourself a great car. Let me go to the trunk. Alright, folks, here we go. Vehicle does have a brand new matching spare tire in the trunk. Hold down pan, floor jack, it's in place. These are gonna be the old headlights that came with the vehicle. They were TYC aftermarket. I didn't like them, so you're getting a brand new set of OEM. This is gonna be the OEM front license plate bracket that I'm gonna have installed in the vehicle. I will do it maybe on Monday. Some flares that came with the vehicle. What you see is what you're gonna get. Buyer takes all. Buyer takes all. There she goes. Oh wow, the vehicle didn't go ee on the trunk. I'm used to hearing that ee noise. Anyway, let's fire back up. Pressure lights are up. Let's go under the hood. Folks, once again, the vehicle does have a new set of tires. Goodyear RSA Eagles. I'm sticking to the same tires that the vehicle came with. Last time I replaced tires on the Crown Vic and I went off the market, I believe I put Kumos. My customer was complaining that he wanted Goodyear Eagles RSA, so I told him, hey listen, those are more money. So I learned my lesson, and I'm using the going back to the original Goodyear Eagles RSAs on the Crown Vics. Alright folks, here's the engine. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. Once again, I set you up for success on another great running looking vehicle. Starting right to left, we do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body will service and clean out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft platinum spark plugs on this one, full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. Transmission was serviced. I did use Mercon 5 on this one, fluid and motorcraft filter. It also does have a new fuel filter on this unit. New fuel filter. Battery is new from that department. The battery is new from that department, folks. Also for myself, vehicle does have a new tensioner, new pulley, new drive belt, all by Gates. All right, all by Gates, folks. All by Gates. And if we come here to the inside of the vehicle, don't worry, folks. This is something I like to do to all my Crown Vics that come in and out. I call it the summer campaign, where I actually get in between the radiator and the condenser, and I wash it all out really nice, so that I can clean up all the dust bunnies, dirt, whatever is in there. I go ahead and wash it right off with the water hose. And the reason why I'm doing that is because if you clean the radiator and the condenser right in between there, it means more airflow into the engine, and the vehicle actually is able to perform a little bit better. It's not being restricted, so there's airflow going into the engine, and it's also helping to keep the fluids a little bit cooler. Once again, no air is being restricted. No rust on the vehicle. She is good to go, folks. Completely safe to drive, and yes, if you wanted to drive her to Miami, Florida, you can do that. All right, folks, this is the Car Victoria guy signing off. My time is out. If you have any questions, comments about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I do not know how long this vehicle is gonna remain online, but if you're interested, please give me a call, folks. One last final look. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a great weekend out there. God bless and take care.